In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure emergency access contacts in Zoho Vault. Emergency access, often called a break glass setup, is a safety net for your organization. It allows you to designate trusted users who can temporarily access all business passwords if key personnel are unavailable or in a crisis. These trusted users are called emergency contacts, and they can declare an emergency to gain time-bound access when it's truly needed. This keeps your operations running while maintaining accountability and control. Before you begin, note that emergency access is typically available in the professional and enterprise editions of Zoho Vault. Also, only super admins have the permission to configure and manage these settings, so make sure you're signed in with the correct role. To set everything up, sign in to Zoho Vault as a super admin and open Settings. In the Settings area, look for User Configurations or a similar section, then click Emergency Access. This is where you'll manage all contacts and active emergencies. Next, add an emergency contact. Click Add Emergency Contact, then choose a user from your organization who you trust to act responsibly during a crisis. Set the validity duration, which defines how long they'll have temporary access to enterprise passwords once an emergency is declared. Keep this window as short as practical to reduce risk, and then save your settings. There is typically a 24-hour waiting period after you add a new emergency contact. That buffer helps prevent sudden unauthorized access, and all admins are notified when a new contact is added. Plan ahead so your designated contacts are in place well before you might need them. When a contact needs to declare an emergency, they simply log into Zoho Vault after the waiting period has passed. They'll go to Settings, open Emergency Access, click Declare Emergency, enter the reason, and confirm. Once confirmed, they receive temporary access to all enterprise passwords for the exact duration you configured. This access is meant for true emergencies, so make sure your team understands the policy and when to use it. As a super admin, you always retain control. If an emergency is active and you need to end it, return to Settings, open Emergency Access, locate the active emergency, and click End Emergency. Access stops immediately. If you need to remove a contact entirely, open the Emergency Access list, select the person, and choose Delete or Remove. That's the full process. Configure trusted contacts, set sensible durations, and keep your policies clear so your organization stays secure, even in a crisis.